There's a cloth there, running up. Got a bow. This guy's a brilliant shot. He's not missed a shot on us.
He's just hit me then. He couldn't have known that I was there. No, there's no way he's making the possible. I'm sprinting around.
No. How?
I'm sprinting around like
I've got planks on me. Oh, swam close.
Four health. Fucking.
No, this I don't fishing. Hold on, I can get my shit back.
Yep, I've just put a wall down.
You did it.
Don't know, take him out. I've got a wall down. You
take him.
Kill him. Yep.
Oh, he's moved in. Yeah, he's gonna get all our shit.
I'm back with my extra sets. Ain't taken my aim before.
He's very good. Like, really good. As soon as we killed that guy, when you disconnected, you dropped me in 3 hits, and I was 100 meters away. Didn't miss any of them.
I was mashing medkits and I was sprinting around like all over the place, popping out, and as soon as I popped out of every corner, I was hit immediately. Every time without fail.
I'm not sniping that good, I'm sorry.
He should be dead because I hit him a load of times. I'm coming back there now. Oh, there's...
He took everything.
Physically no... You and me.
Where is he?
Oh, here's the thing that I find suspicious. He was... raided. Holy shit shot there.
Where are the other?
You know what I mean, Chalky?
I know exactly what you mean. Mate. They're taking everything. How? I need to check the logs tomorrow, because that, I don't understand.
Well, if he was that good...
He didn't miss a shot from 100 meters away.
Well, and... Hold on, he killed you. It was a one shot, M4. Impossible, hacker, ban him. A one shot with an M4 doesn't kill a naked. Nope.
No,
M4 doesn't kill a naked. No.